So we are going to be talking about counterterrorism technologies in supply chain management. And I chose to talk about Amazon. My name is Karine Pereira. I'm an MBA student at UNO. And this is the course Global Sourcing Innovation with Dr. Karine Chen as teacher. Just a little introduction. I like to talk about the global supply chain facing risks nowadays. Supply chain are increasingly exposed to disruptions due to global complexity and uncertainty. Not just physical, but also cyber threats are increasing. Digital attacks and real-world disruptions are becoming more frequent and severe. For this reason, we are going to be talking about how technology is essential for this protection. Not just AI, but advanced technologies help to detect, prevent, and respond to supply chain risks effectively. The objective of this research is first to analyze counterterrorism technologies and how to use those tools to detect, prevent, and respond to security threats, but also how to apply these efficiently to supply chain. Because integrating security technologies into key supply chain operations and process can be very helpful during the whole supply chain processes. Evaluate risks, resilience, and strategy assess threats, the ability to recover, and the effectiveness of responsible. Just a company overview. Amazon is a global e-commerce leader with complex logistics network, high dependence on digital systems. So everyone in the world, I'm not going to say everyone, but it's a globally known company that here, I'm from Brazil. It's very used in Brazil, which is in South America, very used in Europe and Asia as well. So we can contact sellers in Asia here from America, sellers from South America, etc., etc. It's a facilitator for this international e-commerce. Just as I have here in the notes, that Amazon operates a highly digital and global supply chain, as explained, making it efficient but also more exposed to cybersecurity and operational risks. Amazon supply chain structure is global suppliers network, fulfillment centers and warehouses, last mile delivery systems, which is perfect for the size of the company because as a global company, it needs to have a very well planned supply chain mode. Amazon supply chain includes sourcing, warehousing, and transportation. This complexity increases the need for visibility and risk management. Talking about AI threat detection, now everything that we talk about is AI. It detects abnormal patterns, predicts potential risks, and prevents fraud and attacks. Cause, impact, result. Easy. AI analyzes a large data sets that identifies unusual behavior. After this, it helps to prevent cyber attacks and fraud. Improves also the supply chain security and operation stability. Now we're going to talk a little bit about blockchain because blockchain means it's a shared immutable digital ledger that records transactions and tracks assets, physical or digital, across the world. So blockchain basically ensures transparency, reduce data manipulation, increase trust between the partners, and strengthens supply chain reliability. Now talking about IoT monitoring, it is real-time shipment tracking, which we see that on Amazon. Sensors detect risks and immediate alerts. So the IoT provides real-time visibility, detects disruptions, and enable fast response. So Amazon provides for the customers. As a customer, I know that, I don't know if you're an Amazon customer or not, but you can track your shipments. You can, as soon as you buy it, you know when you're gonna receive it, and you can basically know what time of the day you're gonna receive it, how you want it in a part of your house, in like if you need an apartment, if you're in the lobby. It's very predictable. Now talking about cybersecurity systems, it helps prevent data breaches and protect sensitivity information across the supply chain. Real-time network monitoring allows companies to detect threats early and respond before disruptions occurs. Strong cybersecurity systems ensure continuous operations and reduce the risk of supply chain interruptions. Let's talk about supply chain application, which is basically logistics and transportation. AI is very much used nowadays because it optimizes routes. IoT tracked shipments, as mentioned before, as a customer, I can know when I'm gonna be receiving my package. Should I be home? Should I not be home? I can plan ahead about that. And faster response to disruptions. So if I'm supposed to receive my package today at 10 a.m. and it is 11 or 12, is 11 a.m. and it didn't arrive yet, I need to contact the seller. I need to contact Amazon. I need to know where is my package, why it didn't arrive. Okay, warehousing internal security. Smart warehouse use automation plus sensors, real-time inventories visibility, reduce errors. Secure systems prevent internal and external risks. Talking about information management data security, secure and accurate data flow across systems, real-time analytics improves decision making, and blockchain, as mentioned before, enhances data integrity and trust. Here is a little workflow that I worked on to explain a little better about the information management in supply chain. So here we have blockchain that provides secure, immutable, and transparent records. The secure data flow, and AI, sorry, that ensures accurate data, real-time sites, and smart predictions. They all go to the secure data flow with accurate, secure, and accessible in real time. It helps all the whole supply chain process, the suppliers, logistics, the trucks that are going to take the goods to warehouses and stock it until it is sold and go to retailers and to the final customers. Benefits, it reduces the information asymmetry, enables faster, reliable decision making, minimize cyber risks and data manipulation, increases visibility. Okay, now talking about supplier and customer integration, we technology improves transparency across partners and strengthens collaboration and trust that enables faster response to demand changes. Here I share a little bit about my real world experience from work. I worked 4 years in a 3PL company called C.H. Robinson, and it has a division for supply chain called TMC. They are really big here in the United States, but they have companies all over the world. One of them was in São Paulo, Brazil, where I worked. And I supported companies, of automotive companies or companies like John Deere, Komatsu, CHI, all other companies in this industry. And I managed supply chain disruptions while working there using their tool, which was called Navisphere. It was before AI. I remember having a lot of manual information data to type in. Nowadays, I believe I don't work for this company anymore, but I believe that AI helps to predict like deliveries, stocks of goods. What else? When the goods are going to be ready, how to communicate better with the customers, how the prices are going to be, about the transportation, etc. So here we have proactive risk prevention, which is early detection of cyber and physical threats, shift from reactive to proactive risk management, and reduce frequency impact of disruptions. Supply chain resilience, real-time visibility improves flexibility, faster recovery from disruptions, adaptive, and responsive systems. Talking about business continuity, it maintains operation during disruptions, reduces downtime and financial losses, and supports long-term stability. So after the research, after sharing my experience working at C.H. Robinson and using Amazon as uh, as research for AI tools and counterterrorism, I believe that technologies improve security and resilience, enable proactive risk management, and creating long-term competitive advantage. Technologies in supply chains play a key role in protecting information